Hello, my beautiful English learners from all around the world. Welcome back to TwinTalk English Podcast, your safe, friendly space to listen, repeat, shadow, and grow your English every single day. My name is Sarah, your guide, your friend, and your biggest cheerleader on this English journey. Today's episode is extra special because it's a shadowing practice challenge with daily life English sentences. But don't worry, it won't be boring. Oh no. Together we'll practice useful, real, everyday English that you can use in your life immediately. I'll speak slowly, I'll repeat clearly, and you'll shadow me just like an echo. That means you listen, you repeat, you copy my voice, my rhythm, my energy. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about practice. Every word you speak builds your confidence. So sit back, relax, and let's begin our English journey together. Shadowing tips before we start. Before we dive into the sentences, let's remind ourselves how to shadow. Listen carefully to the sentence. Repeat it after me. Try to match the rhythm and stress. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are signs of learning. Speak out loud. Your mouth and your brain need to work together. Practice daily. Just 6 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Now that you know the rules, let's jump into our shadowing challenge. Section 1. Morning Routine. Let's start with your morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. Did you sleep well? Time to get out of bed. I need 5 more minutes, please. Let me brush my teeth first. Don't forget to wash your face. The weather looks nice today. I'll make some coffee. Would you like tea or coffee? Breakfast is ready. A healthy breakfast gives me energy. Pro tip: try speaking these sentences tomorrow morning while you actually do these actions. It makes learning real and fun. Section 2. Home and Family. Now imagine you are at home with your family. Can you pass me the remote? Let's clean the house today. Where did you put the keys? I'm doing the laundry. Could you help me with the dishes? Let's have dinner together tonight. I'm so tired. I just want to relax. Please lower your voice. That movie was really funny. I love spending time with my family. Challenge. Today, tell someone in your family, I love spending time with you. Small words, big impact. Section 3. Shopping and outside. Let's go shopping. Repeat after me. How much does this cost? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I try this on? It's a bit too expensive. Is this the right size? I think I'll take it. Where's the checkout counter? Can I pay by card? Thank you. Have a nice day. Pro tip: next time you shop, even in your own language, try saying one of these sentences in English just for practice. Section 4. Work and Study. Now imagine you're at work or school. I have a meeting at 10. Could you help me with this task? I'll send you an email. Please don't be late. That's a great idea. Let's take a short break. I need to focus right now. The deadline is tomorrow. Let's work together on this. Thanks for your support. Motivation. At work or school, clear, polite English builds respect and connection. Shadow these sentences often. Section 5. Friendly Conversations. Let's practice casual talk with friends. Hi, how's it going? Long time no see. What are you doing this weekend? That sounds like fun. Do you want to grab a coffee? Let's go for a walk. I really enjoyed talking with you. Tell me more about your day. That's interesting. I'm glad we're friends. Shadowing tip: smile while you speak these. Smiling changes your voice. It makes you sound friendly and confident. Section 6. Travel and Transport. Imagine you're traveling. Excuse me, where's the bus stop? How much is a ticket? I'd like a window seat, please. What time does the train leave? The flight is delayed. Could you call a taxi for me? How long will the journey take? Is this the right platform? Thank you for your help. Have a safe trip. Travel English is simple but powerful. These sentences will help you anywhere in the world. Section 7. Health and Wellness. Let's practice health-related sentences. I don't feel very well. I need to see a doctor. Do you have any medicine for a headache? I feel much better now. I'm trying to eat healthy food. I drink plenty of water every day. Exercise helps me stay strong. I need to rest for a while. Don't forget to take your medicine. I'm feeling happy and healthy today. Section 8. Positive Affirmations. Now let's end with some positive sentences to grow your confidence. Repeat loudly, proudly. I believe in myself. I am learning every day. Mistakes help me grow. I am confident when I speak English. I enjoy the learning process. Every word I say makes me stronger. I can do this. I am proud of myself. I never give up. English is my friend. Final tip. Say these affirmations every morning. They will reprogram your brain for success. Wow, my friend, you did it. 80 sentences of real English shadowing practice. That's amazing. Remember, the key is not just listening. The key is speaking out loud with me, even if you feel shy, even if you're alone in your room. Your voice matters. Every time you shadow, you're building a stronger, more confident English speaker inside you. So, promise me this. Keep practicing, keep showing up, and never give up. This was episode 13 of TwinTalk English Podcast. If you enjoyed today's shadowing practice, share it with a friend. Practice together, laugh together, learn together. Until next time, I'm Sarah, wishing you courage, confidence, and joy in your English journey. Keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep growing. Goodbye, my amazing friend. See you in the next episode.